Right, it's fresh after storm. Can't remember his name. I'm going to say Dickhead. So let me show you exactly what's been going on here. This is our home. As you can see, our garden shed is now a weird extension. I don't know if you can see through all the salt on the windows though. Let's check that triangle of doom. Ah, there's one. Beautiful. Good wiping action. Ian, I hope you appreciate that. Look at the carnage, guys. There are trees down everywhere. Look at it. The road is littered. I've actually had to turn around and stop so you could see. Look at the landslides. Took all those trees down. There's mega trees there. Well, you can't see because of the salty mystery, but look at the trees. Look at the landslide. Oh my god. Oh, it was so bad. But look at it. Oh my goodness. It is like absolutely horrendous out. Wow, roads are bad. I think I counted about 5 potential roadblocks before I got to the dip in the road where all the carnage was. I just arrived at work. There's a big tree that's about to fall over, so I'm really worried about our roof. So let's go and find out what's going on. Right, looks like we've got our first bit of damage here. The bonnet on the beam has come off. I'm going to imagine it's in bad shape. Windscreen saved. Bonnet not so saved. It was a tidy bonnet. Not so much. This big tree looks like it's going to come over. It's leaning over quite severely. It definitely didn't lean like that before. Might have to have that taken down. Oh, I'm sad about the bonnet. I'm going to go and check in the fields for potential roof pieces. Oh my god. I can see we're missing parts of the roof. Oh shit. Can you see what I see? Those fiberglass panels are missing. I can't see them anywhere. They have gone. They're nowhere to be seen around here. Oh no. Oh god. This is the sheltered side, so I wonder what the other side looks like, because the wind was coming from the sea, which is that direction. Shit. Right, let's do this together, guys. You will discover the carnage as I discover the carnage. I can already see it's way lighter back there. Can you see that big, that white tarp back there should not be glowing like that. Oh, I think we've lost so many panels. Yeah. Right, let's go and check it out. So, we saw from outside that one's clearly gone. The one above the Mercedes here. This is the Mercedes that was in the crash in the village. We finally got around to fixing it, got it inside. Fortunately, the tarp will be stopping most of the rain coming in, but well, it's not going to stop it coming in. It's going to protect the car a bit. That's very concerning. That amount of light. Let's go and see how much roof we may have lost. Oh, this is looking not great. Please don't be a hole to the outside world. Oh, crap, it is as well. So that is a hole to the outside world. It doesn't seem to get any worse than that. So we've lost 2 sheets on this end of the building. But everything else seems to be intact. I have to move some of these parts. Oh dear. Right, I'm down in the booth though. You know, we just refurbished this, so let's have a look around. It doesn't look too bad at first glance. It looks okay. The walls are intact, the windows are intact. Oh, does that ceiling look a bit... low to me there. God, I hope it's not like pushed the roof down. It looks weird. Like a big bubble or something, like a downwards bubble. And there. That should be a straight beam, and it's definitely sagging a lot in the middle there. Wow. I need to look at the roof on the outside. Before I check on the roof, I best check on the precious cars in storage, make sure everything's in here is okay. The Volvo seems to be okay, Christina seems to be okay. This is my mate C30, he's just got it in here for storage. Man, what a time to bring it into storage just before a mega storm. Everything seems to be as it should be in here. All the roof seems to be intact. So yeah, that's good news. I'll continue searching around. Alright, back outside. Small tree down. Everything else outside seems to be okay. That tarp is obviously ripped in half. The hedge is very thin. Must have all disappeared pretty much. I'm trying to walk in this way because I'm trying to get to the viewing of the roof area so I can see what the roof's doing. I have to find a gap in the hedge so I can look across. If I can't see anything, I'll jump the fence and go in the farmer's field. Swings are intact. Here we go. Gap in hedge. Well, it certainly doesn't look too bad from here. This side. Maybe above the booth it looks like it's been compressed slightly in the middle. There's definitely some damage, but light damage, I'm going to say. Nothing like missing panels or anything, just a little bit of fixable stuff. So yeah, didn't completely survive the storm, but nothing really bad happened. We have lost 2 roof sheets, and there is quite a buckle on the structural piece of wood above the booth, so I'll have to have a look at that. So man, looks like we're getting up on the roof as soon as this weather calms down. I kind of thought our bad luck was over. Maybe not. Anyway, tune in next time. Cheers guys, bye bye.